Good morning, friends. Hello. My name is Vijayan, and I have my friend Tanushka, and we are talking about the environment pollution.
According to me, environment. First of all, we know what is environment. The environment is the beauty of nature. We can see that around us, like the plants, trees, animals. These are all the part of environment, and environment is the beautiful thing given by God us, because as we can see that environment is one of the most beautiful nature thing that we gifted by the God, uh, because whenever we feel stressed, uh, we we went to make ourselves happy by seeing the nature between by going between the natures, uh, but in today's time we can see that the nature was affected by the various human activities. As we can see that, first of all we talk about the uh, water pollution. As we can see that in the villages and in also the cities, people are not very aware about the cleanness of water. As we can see that the wastage of sewages and the unwanted garbage which was thrown by the people outside their home, in the rainy season especially, we can see that it is choked the sewages and all the sewages and all water bodies, and because of that, the water cannot be gone into the underground, so that we can see that there are so many uh, diseases are caused because of their smell and the if bad condition of that garbage and the water. And we can also see in the villages there are some lakes and dams which are made for the use of water for the people, but people are going to use that water as for their animals, like their buffaloes. They take their buffalo inside the lake and rivers and wash them, and also they would wash the clothes there, which is very harmful for this that water, because the uh, dust of their clothes and the harmful remaining part of washing powder is seen in that water, and it's mixed on in that water, and after that they use that water for their personal use also. Because of that they affected by some diseases. What would you like to say about that?
Yeah, exactly as you say, there are many types of pollutions in our country, and our country are very harmful without of pollutions. The main pollution is one of the main pollution is air pollution, and there the causes of air pollution are many much, and in our India air pollution are hell because of bike, because of factories, because we throw factory garbage in air without any thinking, and we cut the forest continuously. So oxygen not enough in our country. What do you want to say?
Yes, of course, because people are, because of the overpopulation, the uh, the we can say that the vehicles are also increasing in everywhere, and people are not using the bicycles for going anywhere, because it shows them very poor according to them, because it's not good for their standards, so they would like to use cars and all that. And the air which was coming out from them, it is very affected to our, it's affect our nature, and because of that the pollution is increasing. And also in festivals like Diwali, after the Diwali we can see that the pollutions, we can see the pollution in our air. And especially in big cities like Delhi, we can see that every, even then in uh, normal days, but after Diwali it's too much hard to see the clean air in the Delhi. So it's the responsibility of ourselves, not the others. What would you think?
Exactly. Exactly, that is if there is no requirement that we use bicycle, we can use bicycle. Like, just like if we go only some fast, then we use a scooty car. That is not important. And in Delhi, Mumbai, big cities, there are much more pollution, and people can't take breathe properly because of pollution. And they are one pollution are soil pollution. Soil pollution is also increased in our country because we use plastic polythenes and throw it without we should not use plastic as like that. We use cloth bag or paper bag, so we control soil pollution also.
As per the result, according to me, we can not only the government is responsible for that, and we also have to aware about that how can save our environment.
This was the discussion about environment. Thanks for listening me carefully.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.